Hi, I'm Rose Kepler-Meridian of Delicious Gardens, and I am here to show you how to make a culinary garden. The supplies that you'll need for a culinary garden are a container, soil, and a couple of culinary plants. The first thing you do is fill up your container with soil. In this case, I needed 3 cubic feet of soil. Flatten it out, making your space level, and then choose your tallest plant for the back, which in this case is marjoram. I'm going to plant this tallest plant in the back. Very loose soil, thanks to it being in a pot. My next tallest plant is going to be parsley. This is curled parsley. This is columnar basil. This is Greek columnar basil. Just stays tall instead of bushy. Down the soil as you go. I've got a rosemary, it's called barbecue, that has these very stout stems that you can use in a barbecue. This gets to be quite tall, but we're going to be cutting it as it grows. We have another kind of rosemary, which is quite beautiful, that falls off the edge. I just like it for ornamentation. We have our sage. This is our relatively common kitchen sage that we use this in poultry a lot. We press the leaves right onto the chicken skin and bake it with butter. And then for colorful sake, I like to use a different kind of sage that's golden. And I'm going to put this over here next to the parsley for more contrast. And then yet one more, a tricolor salvia or sage. Quite beautiful plants in the garden. So this is basically your culinary herbs right here. We have space in between for them to grow. Then I'm going to put some lettuces around the edge, a nice artistic touch. And there you have the culinary garden. You want to water this at least once a week, depending on its location. All of these herbs like full sun, so I would say to keep an eye on it, have a watering eye. Pick it frequently and use it in your food because herbs have more vitamins and antioxidants than anything else, especially the dark-leafed ones. And bon appetit! My name is Rose Kepler of Delicious Gardens, and this has been How to Plant a Culinary Garden. Thank you.